So we get a lot of inquiry from folks that are just starting out in the remodeling process, and they come to us for a number of reasons. It usually starts out with they need a little bit more elbow space, or they're maybe tired of the old and outdated, or they have some storage requirements, or things sometimes in fact are just sort of falling apart actually. A lot of times they are embarrassed to bring family and friends over to their homes, so they don't host parties and things like that. But it always starts with that. Then we get into a little bit sort of deeper conversation with them, and we find out that they're not only just frustrated with what they have, but they really don't know where to turn and where to begin and how to get this whole process started. Really buying a remodeling project is a very different purchase than most people are used to, because you're really not buying a finished product, you're really buying the process, and that's different for folks. So they feel this sense of sort of overwhelm. They don't know where to begin. There's just so much choice available for folks today. And they come to us with these sort of feelings. And our design team, I should say, are really good at kind of ferreting that stuff out and figuring out, what it is they want to do, but really equally as important, I'd say, is the why they want to do what they want to do. So for us, we try to bring some clarity to the client, provide direction, provide them with some strategies to ensure that they'll have a successful outcome, not just with the final outcome of the project, but also the process that you start, sort of at point A and navigate all the remodeling waters and get to a completed project at point B and enjoy that whole period of time. So that's what we do really well.
Most people don't realize that they don't need an architect, like an actual licensed architect to build. Although it's nice, what's required is the correct drawings. Obviously the design has to be the same intent, and the engineering is the main focus that the city wants to see. And that's why we work closely with the engineers, and we collaborate to make sure that it gets built properly, going through the proper channels of the city, and it gets built.